Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain 4.2 exercise of Unit 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Here in this exercise we are going to discuss about curves and polygons. Okay. Now first question, take these figures which are simple curves. Before going to that, what is simple curve? Here simple curve is what? A curve which does not cross itself is called a simple curve, and it can be closed curve and open curve, and it can be closed simple curve, open simple curve, but it should not cross itself. If you see first one, is it a closed simple curve? Yes, it is simple curve because it is not crossing anywhere. And if you see the second one also, it is also not crossing anywhere, so it is also a closed simple curve. And this is also not crossing anywhere, it is also simple curve. And here this is also not crossing anywhere, simple curve. If you observe, this is also simple curve. So all the given 5 figures are simple curves. Coming to second one, state which curves are open and which are closed. And before that, what is open curve? Here a curve whose start and end points are not joined. If you observe, this is a first point, start point, and this is the end point. Here in this figure, the starting point and ending points are not joined. Or simply we can say, is it open or closed? Yes, by seeing the figure we can say it is open curve. So this is what? Open curve. And if you see this figure, children, tell me, this is a simple curve or intersecting curve? It is intersecting because it is crossing the point here. The point of intersection is here. So this is not simple curve. Now tell me, is this figure open or closed? We can say easily it is closed figure. So it is a closed curve because its starting and end points are joined. So what is the definition of open curve? A figure in which starting and end points are not joined. And closed means a figure in which starting and end points are joined. And this is also what? Closed curve. Coming to fourth one, if you see, this is also closed curve. And coming to here, the starting point and end points are not joined. So what is this one? Open curve. Is that clear? Coming to third question, name the points that lie in the interior, on the boundary, and in the exterior of the figure. See, I have discussed already that every figure divides a plane into 3 parts: interior of the figure, exterior of the figure, and the boundary of the figure. And here they gave this map, right? And some points are in the interior, and some points are in the exterior, and some points are on the boundary. So first we are going to write here, what are interior points? Interior of the figure. See inside of the figure, children, what are the points are there in the inside? You should not see the alphabets, you should see these points. So I is there, A is interior, E is interior, next B is interior, and G is interior. I, A, E, B, G are the interior points. Next, coming to boundary of the figure. On the boundary, see which points are located. If you see D is outside of the figure, so it does not come under the boundary of the figure. If you see here K is on the map, okay? So here boundary is nothing but K, and next here F is also on the boundary, F. Next, if you see here one more point, C is also on the boundary. So here 3 points are on the boundary, K, F, C. Is that clear? Next, exterior. Exterior of the figure. So the points which are outside of the figure. So here if you see D, the point D is outside of the figure. So this comes here D. Next, and one more point J. The point J is also outside of the figure. So you got J. So there are 2 points which are outside of the figure. They are nothing but D and J. Coming to fourth question, children. Draw 3 simple closed figures Okay, by straight lines only. So you should draw the closure figures by straight lines only. It means we should not draw here curved lines. See, if I draw this is triangle, so it is a closure figure formed with 3 line segments. Yes, and similarly this is also closure figure formed with line segments, and you can draw rectangle, square, any figure, but the figure should be with the straight lines. No curved lines allowed in this, because they clearly mentioned that by straight lines only. Right? Coming to second one, by straight lines and curved lines both. Straight lines here, and we should use curved line also. See, this is a straight line. If I draw like this, it is a curved. So this figure contains both straight line and curved lines. Similarly, I can take, see, this is also straight lines and curved lines. Is that clear? Next here, these two are straight and these are curved. Isn't it? Straight line, curved lines. See, like this you can draw figures which contain both straight lines and curved lines. So by this sum we completed exercise 4.2.